Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today's video is basically, it's random as hell. It wasn't recommended or anything like that, but I thought, why not, you know, record me taking off these braids, because it's my last day wearing them and I'm over it. So I was like, you know what, let me record it for y'all to show y'all what I do to take these off. Before I get started with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you are alerted every time I make a new video. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, this video is I'm taking off all these braids, you know what I'm saying? Taking them all off because I'm over it. And since I was taking them off tonight, I was like, why not record it and have you guys see and watch how I, you know, take these off. So, hold on, this shit is stuck in my hair. Okay, yeah. So look, I'm showing you guys how to take them off. You see that? You see all this fuzzy shit? This is why I'm taking it off. My sister's gonna help me remove these braids, right? Right. You guys are probably wondering what I'm gonna use to take these off. Well, look, I'm gonna use this. Do not use this. You don't use this, but use this. You know what I'm saying? Not even use this by itself. You gotta have a parent. You know what I'm saying? Parent eyesight. So we're gonna start with this side. So my hair is like up to right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to cut around right here. So all this, but I'm gonna cut this right here.
What if you cut your hair?
I don't think I'm gonna cut my hair.
You should cut it a little bit shorter.
Like that?
Yeah.
Because my hair did grow, so. Yeah. If y'all don't know, braids help your hair grow. But yeah.
Like,
alright, sister, you ready?
Right here.
Take these braids off. Alright, we're gonna start chopping off these braids. We're gonna start right there. Y'all gotta be careful.
This got no type of.
That shit don't. That don't even cut.
Butter knife?
Wait, actually, let me do. I'll do the cutting. Here, give it to me. Yeah, I don't want you to cut my real hair.
No, I'm not.
No, just give me this, and you guys, you'll undo the braids. Thank you. If you don't know where to cut,
then do not cut.
Then that means you don't know how long your hair really is. You gotta know how long your hair is so you know where to cut. Like this, I don't think I messed up right here, did I?
Oh, that's so easy.
You see? Yeah, that wasn't.
That was so curly. Well, this part's gonna be hard because you need to take it
like this.
Yeah, this part.
I'll be so mad if I cut my real hair.
Because you really even have any.
I guess we didn't really need the knife because the knife didn't really cut well.
I think you did cut your hair.
Sure.
Yes.
No, did I cut it? No, I didn't.
Looks like you did. Your hair's so short.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
Don't scare me. Ooh. I hope I didn't mess my hair up.
It's actually harder than I thought.
Right?
Are you scared not to cut
That's why I need your hair. I need your help.
If you were doing it myself, you wouldn't.
No, it takes me long, girl. One time I finished in 2 hours.
Not heavy. Not gonna be heavy anymore.
Right? What we gonna be? Why are you taking my hair? This nigga took my hair. She don't want to help her sister out. She just want to watch my struggle. You guys see this? Look at my hair growing. I don't know if y'all remember, but I had to cut it because some girl messed up my hair. He got bundles for you guys.
Oh my god. I look cute. Cuter than cute, you know what I'm saying? You look good for your vato, you know what I'm saying? I'm a genie in the box. I will look cute. Oh, me queda pasión, perra.
Show them.
What's that, a broken engine? When you're trying to start your car, but your battery died. leave alone? Mark, stop!
Dick is not a typo. Hey, bitch, I can't lose focus.
Did you guys see the video she uploaded just
Yeah,
today?
if you guys haven't watched my YouTube video, y'all need to go watch it. You know what I'm saying?
It's pretty cool.
Pretty funny, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Chubby bunny.
So, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Don't lie.
I'm not lying.
Wait.
I'm not attached to that right now. I need my escuela.
That's right, girl. Tell them girls out there that just focus on school.
Yeah, focus on school, not on guys. Don't focus on guys. Don't focus on girls. Don't focus on guys. Doesn't matter.
I know. And if you're bisexual, you're crazy.
It's true. There's some people watching you. You never know. But yeah.
We're almost done. Oh my god. Tired.
We are almost finished.
Oh my god.
Sisters. You're pretty.
This is how my hair looks.
Oh my goodness, guys. The best ones are the contacts.
So this is all the hair. And this is my brother's bundles. $5 a bundle.
Look it, guys. It feels so weird.
That's a lot.
Satisfying.
That's going on in the trash. Unless you want it. Okay, you guys. So this is basically the outcome. My hair has grown. It's a little oily. I'm about to shower, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications. You know what I'm saying?
Notification.
Y'all know what I mean. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this little.
You don't move this blanket on the bottom.
I'm gonna go throw this upstairs outside for all the boys to see me.
Thank you guys for watching.
I have to go to the